And then there is the issue of the scams under the Aam Aadmi Party government and the all-famous Sheesh Mahal. Team Rekha Gupta has said it is all set to take on the former Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal of the Aam Aadmi Party. Right after swearing in, the new Chief Minister made a pledge to make the Aam Aadmi Party account for all of its alleged scams. The newly sworn-in Delhi ministers too vowed that they would probe corruption charges against Kejriwal. With the BJP in power in Delhi, the Aam Aadmi Party Supremo and his netas are under the radar. Take a look.
मैं रेखा गुप्ता ईश्वर की शपथ लेती हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगी.
The new government takes charge in the capital. With Rekha Gupta at the helm as the chief minister, the BJP government is set to put policies of the earlier Arvind Kejriwal government under the scanner. After taking oath as chief minister, Rekha Gupta vowed to make the Aam Aadmi Party pay for alleged corruption under their government.
जो सरकार पिछले 12 साल से दिल्ली में राज कर रही थी और जितने भी भ्रष्टाचार के मुद्दे उनके ऊपर है, जनता के एक एक पैसे का हिसाब उन्हें देना.
Rekha Gupta also declared she won't move into the Delhi CM's official residence built during the AAP regime, which the BJP described as Kejriwal's Sheesh Mahal. Delhi ministers also vowed to probe the corruption charges levelled against Aam Aadmi Party and its supremo Arvind Kejriwal.
प्रधानमंत्री जी सैकड़ों बार कह चुके हैं, जिन्होंने जनता का लूटा है उन्हें जनता का लौटाना पड़ेगा. उन्हें लौटाना ही पड़ेगा. जिसने लूटा है वो लौटाएगा.
भी कोई इंसान हारता है तो सदमे में आता है. अरविंद केजरीवाल जी अभी थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा सदमे से निकलने के लिए और उनको बड़ा सदमा लगा है. ये सारी जांच की बातें हैं, बिल्कुल होंगी. सब विषय जांच के सामने आएंगे आपके.
अरविंद केजरीवाल के शासनकाल में जो भ्रष्टाचार के आरोप आप लोग लगाते थे उसकी भी जांच कराएंगे.
100% जांच.
और जो लोग होंगे उसको सजा भी दिया जाएगा.
बिल्कुल. अभी जनता की अदालत में फैसला हुआ है, अभी कानून की अदालत में भी होगा.
With the BJP in power in the national capital, Kejriwal and other AAP leaders are set to face some serious heat. Bureau Report, India Today.
Shreya Chatterjee is with me live to make sense of what kind of action is going to be taken on the scams, on Sheesh Mahal and things like that. Shreya, after a very ill-tempered, very hostile election campaign, and after that decisive verdict, it is no surprise that Rekha Gupta and her ministers have all alluded to possible actions against Arvind Kejriwal and his former government, for a litany of alleged scams, the whole Sheesh Mahal affair, etc. What are you hearing? Are the wheels already in motion?
Well, absolutely, Shiv. The wheels are already in motion. And I mean, the sense of that could have been made by the first speech that the Prime Minister gave after the historic win that the BJP achieved in the national capital. He had said that whoever looted the national capital will be avenged. Rekha Gupta spoke on the same lines. We've been seeing the kind of actions that are coming in. A CAG report will be tabled. That will be seeing a furor in the assembly. There is action already in the 6 Flagstaff Road case. There is a preliminary inquiry by the CBI that's already done. The liquor scam case is already going on. In the same flow ratio violation, a PWD investigation has also been called in. The CBI is also looking into the transport scam. So there are so many cases to be looked into, and there are more letters that lie with the ACB. So definitely troubles mounting. That's what we definitely hear from our sources. But the first assembly session will be interesting because it will be the official tabling of the CAG report.
All right, this is an aspect that we'll be looking at very, very closely, the tabling of the CAG report, what happens with the Sheesh Mahal and many of those other things. It's going to provide us a parallel track of coverage in Delhi apart from the promises that the Delhi government has made. Shreya, thanks very much for that.